Hello everyone, this is Jake from Hexagon Media Group and Hexagon Tech Tips, and welcome to an unboxing video. In this video, I will be showcasing and unboxing the Logitech M310 wireless mouse. I apologize if this product has already been technically opened and unboxed, as my first attempt on unboxing the M310 was recorded sideways, as seen here. We would be now unboxing the Logitech M310 wireless mouse. So as you can tell, that was unfortunate, but we shall prevail nonetheless. I purchased this mouse at Best Buy this past Sunday, and I'll provide a link to the mouse in the description below for both Amazon and Best Buy. The reason why I purchased the M310 was to use with my MacBook, my 2009 MacBook, the Gen, because I honestly, and I'm not being paid to say this whatsoever, so this is not a paid promotion, hashtag not sponsored. I love the Logitech line of products as seen here. This is the Logitech M720 for my desktop and my laptop, and this is the Logitech K780, which a video will be promoted next week on the keyboard. So yes, be sure to check that out, the first video of 2020. So yeah, I will be reviewing the M310 in 1 month. So on January 27, 2020, I will be releasing the 1 month review. You won't want to miss that. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell to be notified of future videos and live streams when they come out. Also, be sure to check us out on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Tumblr. Links will be in the description below, along with the links for the mouse itself. Thank you for watching, everyone, and have a great day, and have a very good rest of the year and a very good New Year's. Thank you.